Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naomi Kanyeki. Welcome to this channel. I make lifestyle, faith and relationship content. If that is something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and help me grow this channel, okay? So today I have a very exciting video. I want to show you something small in addition to the living room. So what we've added in the house is that we now have a console table, like an entry console table. It's just next to the entry door. So you guys, I have a cold. I've been having a cold for 3 days. That's why I'm leaving. So if you feel like my energy is a little bit low, it's the cold. Yeah, we got a console table, and this console table is exciting for me because we didn't buy it. Like, we transformed the kitchen table that we replaced with the kitchen cabinet. If you watched the tiny kitchen tour, you saw that we added a small kitchen cabinet. I was thinking about disposing that kitchen table, but we didn't. Then a thought just came to my mind, and I was like, hey, whether this kitchen table can be transformed to a console, right? So we went to just a local fundi outside here. Whatever we told him, he did just that. And believe me, like, he outdid himself. Okay, you're not one, and like, it's not something that I'm talking about. Yeah, sure, yeah. So I'm going to insert a clip and a photo of the kitchen table that we transformed to the console table. And then after you see that clip and the photo, I'm going to show you the console now, okay? And now, haha, may I represent to you the console table. So what do we have here? This is a gift my husband got at a Secret Santa staff event. Yeah, he got this. I think this will be one of the things that will be on top. This is our Unity sand from our wedding. This is just my clutch bag. This is my clutch bag. It's actually my sister's. Yesterday we were at couples dinner in our church, MSC Rocker, and yeah, that's why we just have a clutch here because yeah. What's inside here? So this is a gift we got yesterday at the couples dinner event at our church. We got these presents because we were the youngest couple there in terms of years of marriage. Chocolates, and we have two glasses. Yeah, this is awesome. So let's take this to the kitchen. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. That is an amazing addition that we've done there. Congratulations to us, and thank you so much, my dear husband, for believing in me. For believing in my visions for this house. Thank you so much. That's it for me. If you like this video and if you would like to see more of such video or other videos that I make, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like, comment and share this video, and yeah, help me grow this channel. See you guys later. Na mniambia nipo na ihoma manze inanibo. Na nimevaa hoodie. Imagine, nimevaa hoodie na kofia, but kofia sababu my hair looks bad. Yeah, I am braided. So that's it for me. See you guys. Love you guys. Bye.